economics major does is perform events throughout the CAB's year. We prepare every class with our teacher, Miss Murphy, to play the pieces to the best of our ability in our concerts.
A typical day as a strings major would be when we get to class, we unpack our instruments, and usually we play a few scales to warm up, and then we play pieces with the entire class to prepare for our concerts.
The main expectation is that they are practicing and performing regularly, both at home and here at the school, as well as potentially continuing their study individually outside of the classroom with a private teacher. Most of our students do have private teachers, and it really helps to support what they do in the class with me in school.
Advice that I would give to students interested in strings is I would say practice a lot, because that's really what's needed for this major. It's just a lot of keeping up with other students and trying to do the best of your abilities.
A big piece of advice is to just play as often as you can. Of course, practice, but also anytime you can play for others, whether it's family, friends, any chance you get to play in front of people and to share your music. It benefits both the listener, your audience, and you, having that experience as often as possible. My best advice for incoming majors would be to make sure you're practicing regularly, daily if possible. I would say probably 5 days a week at least. I highly recommend getting a private teacher so that you're getting individual support as well as from your public school teacher, and that helps really support what you're doing here at CAB.